Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the model and firmware so you know which menus behave the same. This prevents guessing. Once done, make sure ambient room light is stable and you're seated at a typical viewing distance, about 6 to 10 feet, so adjustments reflect real use. Use the remote to open menu, go to Picture and select Brightness. This is the immediate control that raises or lowers overall luminance. You will now adjust from here step by step. You should set picture mode to movie or custom because those preserve natural tones. This gives you a reliable starting baseline. Next, change backlight and contrast first in small increments of about 5 units to avoid clipping, then tweak brightness to recover shadow detail without washing highlights. Once baseline looks right, adjust local dimming or gamma for deeper blacks and color temperature toward warm for accurate whites. Make a small change and wait a few seconds to evaluate. You finish by testing across multiple content types, dark movie scenes, HDR clips, and regular broadcast, so you ensure brightness works in all cases. Once satisfied, save the custom profile and picture presets, then reboot the TV to lock the adjustments into active memory. If you still see crushed blacks or blown highlights, do a picture settings factory reset to clear corrupted presets. Only then consider contacting support. This reset often resolves software-related brightness problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.